The ones who are selling water at night mostly are men. And the moment they make sexual advances at you and you refuse, you won't get water. The men, they were two, had already teared my clothes up, so before even the women who had me screaming came, they had already done it.
I used to take water on credit, and it reached a point the water vendor asked me, "How will you pay all that money?" I told him, due to the corona pandemic, I have nothing. He told me as things stand, I'll pay him using my body.
These sessions come in really to help alleviate some of the mental issues that victims have had to carry with them for a very long time.
I feel good when I come here and find it's a lady selling water to me. Before, I would find young men hanging around here and smoking weed.
We want the bill to touch on issues to do with dignity for women, the security, protection of women, and of course, their autonomy.